Leviathan here. It is a gorgeous day, and my friend is here with his Lamborghini Mustang, also known as a Ferrari F430. And we're just gonna cruise around and have some fun. Man, I love the way this guy drives. He really enjoys his car. It just puts a smile on my face when he drives. I don't know why lately people have been getting so angry when they see a supercar, but I don't know, when I just see one drive by, especially driving like that in the soundtrack, jeez, it just puts a smile on my face. Oh. When I was just a little boy, we had a Persian rug in our den. So what I do is I take my little cars and then I just plot it all over and come up with little stories. I even remember I had an airport in the middle, and then I would put books underneath the carpet and make the cars go over them and everything. Each time I see a unique car, it doesn't even have to be an exotic. I always just flash my lights or I'll give them a wave. I don't know why supercar drivers just don't do that. There's so many of these different groups that are starting to emerge, and I don't like that. And with bikes, regardless of the bike I had, it could have been the Kawasaki 250, which is a starter bike, it could have been a Yamaha R6, or it could have been my Ducati 848, which is a Ferrari equivalent. But I always got a wave. He always avoids every little bump in his Ferrari. That's kind of like a traditional style of driving a Ferrari, I suppose. I do get a bit of anxiety driving in the city. I know a lot of people comment, but it is pretty stressful. You have people jaywalking, you have bad drivers, you have horrible roads. You really have to be completely focused, so it's a bit hard to really enjoy and let go, especially when you're driving cars like these. And considering some of the bad experiences I've had, oh, you really have to be completely focused. Time to take the roof down. If you don't want it, I'll take it. I'm gonna play with him. If I rev a little bit, he's gonna start revving. Watch this. He's gonna rev. I told you. If you go up next to a Ferrari driver and you just rev a little bit, guaranteed he'll rev. Should we do it again? I'll do it again. In neutral. Will he rev? Yes, he will. Huracan. Aventador. 488. They're loving the Ferrari. She's waving at the camera. It's 3 for 3. Let's see if I can get him to rev again. I'm just gonna nudge him a little bit. See him. Watch this. I told you. So, for my next video, I had a little idea. Since my condo is flooded, I thought maybe we'll see what it's like to spend 24 hours in the McLaren 650S. Can I sleep in it? Can I brush my teeth? Can I work out? So let me know what you think about that idea, because unless you guys want to see it, I don't think I want to spend 24 hours in this car, as much as I love it. So there you have it. We just went through the city in 2 supercars. Now it's time to open up these cars and have some fun, which is not safe for YouTube. Thanks for watching. Until next time.